channel. Good morning, happy Sunday. Today's pictures, channel pictures is R. Ma'am Fatima Shahida Abdullah. Yan. Nagkuhan siya, nagpipisyon is 1 hour 1 hour video. Okay, malapit na ako tapos. Okay. 1 hour and 11 minutes video, so let's watch this video until the end. Okay, and then we have also our Miss Pink 96 Lover. Okay, I'm watching your playlist right now. I'm in number 3. Okay, so shout out Ma'am Fatima and Pink 96 Lover. Late night rooftop swim, yan, sa Dallas skyline views. Wow. Ang Fatima is nagpipishing siya with a dog. Okay. Other one is Miss Honey Pie Vlog. Nag-loading pa siya. So for the meantime, I'm watching Ma'am Shen video. Title of the video is Spring OST, original soundtrack from K-drama pala to. So, and also watching Living After 50s playlist video. It's against the light, so I will turn off the light muna, ha. Okay, no more lights. So I'm on the 8th video. Okay, so iniwan ko lang yan naka-play. Please help and support Living After 50s to reach 100 watts hour. Okay, okay guys. So yan, Living After 50s, Ma'am Shen. So wala pa si Kwan, Honey Pie Vlog. So Honey Pie Vlog still loading. Naglo-load pa si Honey Pie. Story holiday sa Hong Kong. Okay, Ma'am Shen is Kwan playing right now. So support also Ma'am Shen. Shout out also to my what you call this member, Drawn from Life from Germany. Yeah, support lang palagi. Tapos na si Ma'am Shen sa kanyang isang kanta. Meron na mga bago, yun, Because I Love You. Yan. So Shen, Drawn from Life, don't forget to support Drawn from Life. And also Honey Pie, and hanapin ko yung isa, si Happy Homes para si Ma'am Happy Home and Beauty. Yan, don't forget to support. Okay, si Fish 1999 also adopted member ko yan. So yan, support na yun. Buslando, shout out. Yan sila. Si Pindanica. Okay. Sarasen. Okay. Watching muna tayo guys. Naningwit si Ma'am ng fish. Ito na si Miss Honey Pie Vlog. Yan. Naglo-loading siya. Anyway, babayan din si Kuan, Pink 96 Lover, si Ma'am Fatima at saka si Honey Pie. Okay, pabayaan natin yan. Kakain na tayo. So before that, Shout out muna tayo kay everything on the agenda. Ito. Yan. Si everything on the agenda. Tsaka si double meditation. Shout out. Yan. Ito na yung film ni Kuan, Namshen. Shout out din si Buboy Palad. Magaling kumanta to. Maganda yung mga kanta niya. Shout out din si Enting Butingting. Yan. Pupuntahan na kayo guys. Let's visit its channel and then play and then share. Kikita tayo ng pera dyan. Okay? Let's earn money by sharing and then playing. Ito na ba lang yung kuhan ko? Update lang guys. Ito yung kuhan ko. 125 sa magkuha ko to sa May 21 to 29. So ito na yun sa Mayo. $26. Thank you for your support guys. Thank you for those who give up super thanks. Yan. Si Ma'am Shen, Fatima, si Pink 96, si Living After 50s, si Draw From Life. Thank you guys for always supporting my channel. Si Honey Pie. Yan. Thank you for supporting and always giving support to my channel. Okay. So Ma'am Shen is playing right now. Kain na tayo. Ito, peanut butter, masarap to. Pang palaman ito. Pero ngayon, hindi lang muna. Mamaya, sa second vlog natin. Sarap, oh. Tuwad yung camera ko. Ito si Kwan. Sa roof deck ni ko, no? Paint na ito. Ang ganda. Maganda rin ang Hong Kong. Yan si Namhanipay. TikTok. Ito yung video ni Draw From Life Ensign. Yan. Draw From Life, yung member ko. So thank you for watching. Next video tayo guys.